Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we are going to be replacing black headlight housings on this 2016 Ram 1500 pickup. If you need these parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. We're going to open the hood right under your steering wheel. This little lever pops the hood. The hood safety latch is right here. You're going to pull it to the left, pull up. There's a little door right here. We're gonna have to take this clip off, use a trim tool, get in behind, pull the retainer up. If you pull it out a little, then the clip will come off. Move this door out of the way. You can have the tire turned to the side, makes it easier. And in here, there's a little retainer. There's a little lock on the back here. It's a little white tab. You're gonna push it up, just like that. When the headlight's out, I will show you a little more detail of how you do it. You don't have to pull this shield off, but if you want to, there's some clips. You just use your clip tool to take it off, but we can get in there without taking that off. There's a 10mm bolt right here. We're going to take off with a 10mm socket, then ratchet. And then there's another bolt that goes straight down here. You're going to need some extensions. So we're going to use our 10mm and an extension to get on that bolt. All right, so I loosen that bolt up. All right, the bolt, I'm just going to leave that bolt down there for now. I'm gonna grab, everything's loose on this assembly. Grab underneath, you're just gonna have to pull it out real hard. There we go. Just gonna use my socket and extension and loosen this bolt a little more. It seems like it's stuck in there. There we go. Pull it out. To disconnect this connector, we're going to pull on this little locker, and then we're going to push down on the tab, and that pulls out. Use a small flat blade tool, push this back. We're going to push down on this lock, slide it out, and there it is. So this is how that lock works. When the headlight's in there, this is locked down, and there's a little tab that goes on the headlight through there. And when it's in there, you want to push up, and that will make that opening bigger so the headlight assembly can come out. This is our old headlight assembly. This is our new headlight assembly from 1A Auto. As you can see, it's an upgrade. It's a different look for the vehicle. You got, instead of the chrome, you've got everything blacked out. So it'll give you a more aggressive look. As you can see, the fitting areas are the same. On the back, the adjuster's the same. The connectors are the same connectors. All that's the same. The headlight assembly comes with new headlight bulbs and all the other marker bulbs and stuff. Get yours at 1A Auto and you'll be ready to rock and roll. We're gonna reinstall the connectors. It goes there, then you're gonna push the lock down. And then this connector goes right here. And you push that lock down. And then there's a couple little wire retainers that are going to get pushed into here. And then there's one over here that can get pushed in right there. We're going to push the headlight in this way first. Get this lined up. And before you push it in, you're going to get the back lined up. When this is all set over here, you're going to put some pressure on the front of the headlight, push it in. I'm going to take the bolt, it goes down in here. This happens to have a magnet in the socket, so it'll hold the bolt. You could also use some grease or some electrical tape and tape it. Line that up. Before I snug that lower bolt up, I'm gonna install this bolt. Snug that up. We'll take our extension, tighten this bolt up, just snug. Now I'm gonna grab the lock and I'm gonna pull it down. And that's locked. And I can take this panel, stick it back on here, push it in, push the push pin in. All right, now we're gonna check the headlight operation. We'll go through the lights. As you can see, everything seems to be working. The blinker, the high beams, the markers. When you replace your headlights, you're gonna wanna adjust them. There's an adjuster right here. You can use a 7mm socket and extension. Get down in here. And you can use a ratchet. And if you tighten it, it goes up. If you loosen it, it goes down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.